Top 3 Best Mud Terrain Tires. 3. BFGoodrich Mud Terrain TAKM All-Terrain Radial Tire. The Courser MXT is an extreme off-road mud terrain tire perfect for light truck owners and extreme off-roaders seeking aggressive off-road traction and excellent handling on the highway. The MXT sports an attractive side biter design and wide, deep tread grooves for superior off-road mud and snow traction performance. High void tread design. Unbelievable traction for deep dirt, mud, rocks. Superior rock climbing. Brand, BFGoodrich. Model, Mud Terrain TAKM. Weight, 46.5 pounds. 2. Mastercraft Courser MXT Mud Terrain Radial Tire. The Courser MXT is an extreme off-road mud terrain tire perfect for light truck owners and extreme off-roaders seeking aggressive off-road traction and excellent handling on the highway. The MXT sports an attractive side biter design and wide, deep tread grooves for superior off-road mud and snow traction performance. The unique noise-minimizing tread block pattern utilizes wide, circumferential grooves that channel water away while providing excellent traction and grip. Brand, Sony. Model, Courser MXT. Weight, 64 pounds. 1. Courser MTKR29 Mud Terrain Radial Tire. Federal Courser MT Adventure Series. Federal's ultimate off-road tire. Rugged off-road performance with the looks to match. Unprecedented traction, grip and strength. Pattern engineered to clear foreign substances to ensure constant performance. High-performance summer tire. Pattern ribs provide shorter braking distances. Asymmetric tread design for increased handling. Angled sides for better steering precision. Brand, Federal. Model, Courser MT. Item weight, 5.8 pounds. For more details and latest price, click link in this video description. If you subscribe my channel and like my video, you will help me to grow it. First, you can be informed all of my latest video. Thanks for watching.